Bioenergy is the energy that is latent in plants, in growing organisms that have absorbed that energy from the sun and hold it in their structures. The technology of bioenergy and biorefining is the conversion of that energy into useful forms of energy that can do work, such as create heat, create electricity, and create fuels for transport. There are 12 Irish companies involved in the Bioenergy and Biorefining Competence Centre. They range from large international companies with a footprint in several continents to small and innovative startups here based in Ireland. They all have a common interest in trying to develop and promote technology, new technology in bioenergy and biorefining, and applying that in the worldwide market, not just for the Irish market.
The Bioenergy and Biorefining Competence Centre is being jointly hosted by three partner universities, NUI Galway, University of Limerick and UCD. The HQ, or contact point, is going to be in Galway, but each of the partners are bringing their own specialised facilities. I guess the biggest frustration for researchers is the inability to get the findings that we are producing in the lab and the work we're doing out into the real world and into applications, and the Competence Centre provides a superb framework for that. There are several projects. For example, we're working on the development of enzyme technologies for the conversion of biomass sources, various sources, to useful added value end products. In UCD, my colleague Kevin O'Connor is working with several companies on the production of biodegradable plastic or bioplastic from various biomass sources. And also in UL, and my colleague JJ Leahy is looking at the conversion of wastes and other residues into usable fuels by pyrolysis and gasification. The Competence Centre will also enable a whole new set of relationships and networks to be developed. I think it's an exciting opportunity.
The international markets for bioenergy and biorefining are worth in excess of €40 billion per year, so there's a phenomenal market in the international sphere that's growing at some 12% each year, so it's growing quickly. Irish companies can play a role from two different perspectives. The first is by leveraging our natural resources here in Ireland. Not a lot of people know that we have some of the highest yields of grass in the world, and we have prolific growth of algae, for example, and both of those are what we call next generation sustainable feedstock for bioenergy. The other that I think is very helpful and important is our ability to build on the intellectual property that is created in Irish universities, that's created in Irish companies, and to export that to the worldwide market. And in fact, for me, that's by far the more exciting part of the potential that we can play in the worldwide market, because we have a phenomenal knowledge base, we have individuals and people who are passionate about alternative energy, and we have a new, what I'll call clean tech cluster arising in Ireland that can play a role in the international market.